friends, welcome to Be Alive. In today's video, I'm doing a small DIY project. For this project, I'm using a tray and I'm going to decorate this tray with PVC cloth. I will give all the details in the description below. Please try this project and let me know how your decoration turned up. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please give a thumbs up. I'm using PVC fabric for this project. The measurement of the fabric depends on the size of tray. I have this wooden tray. You can decorate any box or similar wooden tray. We also need a scissor, scale, pencil, measuring tape and glue. These are the measurement which I am going to use. I need one piece of fabric to cover outside and inside wall of the tray. Here I am measuring the size. So the final size which I am going to cut is 124 centimeter length and 12 centimeter width. Now I am sticking first side of the tray with fabric. Here I am cutting the corners from both the sides. This will make wrapping process smooth and clean. I'm sticking other side and then cutting the corners as well. I will follow the same process for each side now. The outside wall is almost done. I'll stick this extra corner as well. So for inside, before I start sticking, I'm just cutting extra edges. After cutting the extra edges, I can easily glue the fabric and stick it over. That's how the tray will look. Now I am measuring the bottom and inside part of the tray. So I just took the length and width. I have two pieces of fabric here. I'll stick them inside and now I'm sticking at the bottom. Tray is ready. That's how it will look. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it.